Have you ever wondered how to monetize your blog? Well, you're not alone. Every day, countless content creators seek ways to turn their carefully crafted words into a revenue stream. That's where blog monetization comes in. It's the process of generating income from your blog, be it through advertising, affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, or even selling your own products or services. And why is it important? Well, besides the obvious financial benefits, it can also help you reach a wider audience, build your brand, and establish yourself as an authority in your field. In this video, we'll be exploring the ins and outs of blog monetization. We'll discuss different strategies, provide step-by-step instructions, and share some key tips to help you get started. So, are you ready to start making money from your blog? Let's dive in. The first step in blog monetization is understanding your audience. In the vast digital landscape, it's easy to feel like a small fish in a big pond, but remember, each fish has its own unique school. You see, your audience isn't just anyone who stumbles across your blog. Your audience is a group of individuals who share common interests, problems, and needs that your content can address. Understanding your audience is akin to having a compass in the wilderness of content creation. It guides your decisions from the topics you tackle to the tone you use. It's crucial to know who you're talking to ensure that your content resonates with them. So, how do you identify your target audience? It's simpler than you might think. Start by examining your current readership. Analyze your most popular posts. What topics are they about? Who are the people commenting and sharing your content? These insights will give you a clearer picture of who your readers are and what they're interested in. Next, think about who you want to reach. Maybe you're a fitness enthusiast wanting to inspire others to lead healthier lives. Or perhaps you're a tech guru aiming to simplify complex concepts for the average Joe. Define your ideal reader and craft your content to appeal to them. But identifying your target audience is just half the battle. The other half is tailoring your content to attract this audience. This is where you need to be strategic. You want to create content that not only interests your audience, but also encourages them to engage with your blog. This could mean encouraging comments, shares, or even purchases if you're selling products or services. And here's a pro tip: don't be afraid to experiment. Try different content formats, topics, and tones. Monitor your analytics to see what works and what doesn't. Remember, understanding your audience is a continuous process, and it's okay to refine your approach as you go along. Remember, understanding your audience is the key to successful blog monetization. So take the time to know your readers, and you'll be well on your way to turning your passion into profit. Now that you know your audience, let's talk about the different ways you can monetize your blog. First off, advertising. You can sell ad space on your blog to companies and earn revenue each time these ads are clicked or viewed. This method, however, requires a substantial amount of traffic to generate significant income. So if you're just starting out or have a smaller audience, it might not be the best fit for you. Next up, sponsored posts. These are articles or posts you're paid to publish on your blog by companies looking to reach your audience. One key advantage of this method is that it can be lucrative even with a smaller audience, as long as that audience is highly engaged and relevant to the sponsor. But remember, always disclose when a post is sponsored to maintain transparency with your readers. Then we have affiliate marketing, where you promote a product or service and earn a commission for any sales made through your referral link. This can be a great way to monetize if you have products or services that you genuinely love and believe in. It also works well if these products align with your blog's niche and audience interests. Selling your own products or services is another excellent way to monetize. This could be anything from an ebook or online course to consulting services or handmade products. What's great about this method is that you have full control over what you sell and how much you charge. It also allows you to build a business around your blog, turning your passion into a profitable venture. Lastly, you can combine these methods to diversify your income streams. This not only increases your earning potential but also reduces the risk of relying on a single monetization method. Each of these methods has its own pros and cons, so choose the one that best suits your blog and audience. And remember, monetization isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. It's about finding the right balance between earning income and providing valuable content to your readers. So, experiment, test, and find what works best for you and your blog. Stick around and view some other value-packed videos. Speaking of monetization, have you ever thought about extending your reach to YouTube? There's a world of untapped potential waiting to be explored. Let me introduce you to the YouTube Mastery and Monetization course. This is not just any course. It's a step-by-step guide to running your own YouTube channel, even a faceless one, just like we're doing right now. Imagine having the power to reach millions while sitting comfortably at home. This course will teach you just that. It covers everything from content creation, optimizing your videos for maximum visibility, to the ins and outs of monetization. But don't just take my word for it. There's a free webinar that delves deeper into what this course has to offer. You'll find all the details right below in the description. If you're serious about monetization, this course is a game changer. Check out the details in the description below. Now let's get down to business. How do you implement these monetization methods? Implementing monetization methods can feel like a daunting task, but with a clear strategy and a step-by-step approach, it's easier than you might think. Let's dive right in. First, affiliate marketing. Once you've identified the products or services that align with your blog's content and audience, sign up for their affiliate program. Typically, this involves filling out a form on their website. Once approved, you'll receive a unique link to share in your blog posts. Each time someone makes a purchase through your link, you'll earn a commission. Keep in mind, authenticity is key. Only promote products you genuinely believe in. Next up, sponsored content. This method involves partnering with brands to create content that features their products or services. To get started, reach out to brands that are a good fit for your blog and negotiate a rate for your services. Remember, sponsored content should still provide value to your readers and align with your brand image. Thirdly, selling products or services. Whether you're selling handmade crafts, ebooks, or consulting services, the first step is to create a sales page on your blog. This page should highlight the benefits of your product or service and include a clear call to action. To boost sales, consider offering a special discount to your blog readers. Lastly, ad revenue. Once your blog has a steady flow of traffic, you can start displaying ads. Sign up with an ad network such as Google AdSense, and they'll take care of displaying relevant ads on your blog. Each time an ad is clicked, you'll earn a small amount. And a bonus tip for you. Whichever methods you choose, always monitor their performance. Use analytics tools to understand what's working and what's not. This will allow you to refine your strategy and maximize your earnings. With these steps, you're well on your way to monetizing your blog. Stick around and view some other value-packed videos. If you found this video helpful, we have a small request. It's a simple action that you can take, but it means a world to us. If you could take a moment to give this video a thumbs up, it would be greatly appreciated. This small action goes a long way in supporting our work and helps us reach more people who could benefit from this content. And while you're at it, consider subscribing to this channel. It's completely free and it ensures you never miss out on the valuable content we regularly dish out. We aim to bring you the most comprehensive guides and tips just like this one to help you navigate the world of content creation and monetization. Moreover, hitting that notification bell guarantees that you're always in the loop whenever we release a new video. You'll be among the first to benefit from our latest insights and strategies. Your support helps us create more content that helps you. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Well, that's a wrap on our guide to blog monetization. We've covered a lot of ground, from getting started with blog monetization to exploring diverse strategies and finally implementing these methods. Remember, the world of blog monetization is extensive and ever-evolving. It's not just about making money, but about delivering valuable content that resonates with your audience. It's about building relationships, establishing trust, and creating a community. Our journey doesn't end here. It's a continuous learning curve full of exciting opportunities and challenges. So whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your blogging game, there's always room for growth. Also, don't forget to check out the YouTube Mastery and Monetization course. It's designed to help you navigate the vast sea of content creation, just like what we're doing here. And finally, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Stick around and view some other value-packed videos. Until next time.